that Oppo man in our life. For that, all you got to do is get your hands on the phone, right? Siddharth, can we have you back on stage? Can we have a big round of applause for the Oppo man, the Oppo brand ambassador? What a film. Okay, I've got a very tough question to ask you before I get
Yes.
on any further. How do you manage to look this dapper, like all the time? Like seriously, right?
Wow. Okay. I have the AI technology from Oppo.
Inbuilt.
They worked really hard on this film.
But you already got it inbuilt, right?
Thanks to my parents.
Okay, now that was a beautiful film, and we really, really moved by it. So, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and Oppo family here wants to give you something really special, a sort of a pre-Valentine's Day gift
But the
from.
month has just begun. This early?
You don't want it?
No, I like free gifts.
All right, so can we have this beautiful Valentine's Day gift, especially for Siddharth Malhotra? Let's see what that is.
Wow, so sweet. Thank you, guys. Everyone's in blue today. Thank you.
So you can take a moment, put the mic down, and why don't you show what's inside?
this is?
Woo! Okay, okie dokie, there it is. Someone's getting lucky with a beautiful gift this morning.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, Oppo. That's really, really cool. That's my limited edition F5. Looks really, really cool.
Yes, it does. It looks really
I
hot.
love the color.
Two hot things in one position at this point in time.
Wow.
Lovely. You can get your cameras and really take this moment.
Come.
Okay, now
Lovely.
you've got a beautiful gift. Are you excited?
I'm very, very excited now. I'm ready for this month, Valentine's Day.
Okay, now you know about this phone. It's been part of your journey. You've been the Oppo man. So tell us about it. What is it that makes Oppo F5 Siddharth limited edition really, really special?
Well, yes, I've been working very closely with Oppo to create a limited edition phone, and I think the highlight of this is definitely the design, the color. They have never used this color. This is the only phone that comes in this blue, which is, I think, talks about my personality being cool and easy. And then the AI selfie technology. We always are requested to click selfies 24/7 wherever we are. Sometimes, unfortunately, we can't, or sometimes we're in a hurry. Your images don't come correct. It's a bit like the light's not fine, or yahan pe aao, ye aao. So uske liye, I think the AI technology is the fastest, and I would recommend it to all the fans who want to come in and click pictures so they can correct it later. And I think it's come out really cool, and something that I'm going to be really happy and proud about. And again, thank you, Oppo, for this really cool association.
Well, I think this is like the one-stop answer to all of those selfies gone bad, right? So no more trying for hours getting that perfect selfie. Just get yourself this new Oppo F5 Siddharth Malhotra edition. Okay, now,
Absolutely.
one quick question. What would be, if you had to choose amongst the many stunning features of this phone, that one feature or that one little, quality of it that really is the best part for you?
Definitely the design and style aspect once again. I think just the way even the colors come up on the screen. I mean, whether you're watching our film, whether you're watching our posters, our trailers, all the colors come alive. The screen is absolutely vibrant. And again, I feel one of the most coolest looking blue that I've seen. I don't know exactly technically what blue this is, but I just think it really looks cool.
And it looks great in your hand.
Yep.
It kind of is a best accessory, at least to start the Valentine's Day this year.
And after the late 90s, I can gift one to my whole family, so they'll be very, very excited now.
I don't think you'll have to do that. Oppo would do that for you. Like, entire family gets an Oppo gift.
Absolutely. So I am going to Delhi soon. My parents will be very happy to have my limited edition Oppo F5.
Great. Okay, so now we've seen the phone. We've seen you talk about it, your favorite features of the phone. I think there's something else that we all want to know. How much would it cost us? And you know what? Do you know the answer to this?
I have No clue. I just knew in the late 90s my parents couldn't afford more than one phone, so I'm hoping we can afford this one.
Okay, so you know what? Let's get Jitin back on stage to answer this very, very special question. We all can't wait to, find out what the answer is. Jitin.
Excited, everyone? Oppo,
Yeah!
Oppo F5 Siddharth limited edition phone is currently in our hands. Any guesses how much would this cost? 20, 25. Some people are almost right. 22. Well, that's
Not
a lot of guesses.
Well, if the one who guesses correctly will get a phone.
Uh,
Yeah, I think there
Oh,
should
so
be a lot
any
of noise for
guesses?
that. Okay, somebody has to come up with the exact figure, huh? Like that with the 999 and all of that.
Oppo always runs in 990s.
Yeah.
Well, he guessed it correctly.
Jitin.
here.
What? Who got it?
He guessed it
See,
correctly.
मेरे को खुद जवाब नहीं पता है. Answer क्या है? Is that correct?
Yes, Oppo F5 Siddharth limited
Woo!
edition is coming at 19,990 rupees.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh wow, superb. So
And
my-
another fab thing is that it's coming out on 8th of Feb. Jitin, 8th of Feb only on Amazon, right?
Yes, exclusively on Amazon on 8th of February. You can actually purchase it on
For
Amazon.
the early birds.
Yeah, for the early birds.
And then on the
for
9th?
the market in the retail, it will come in 9th of February 2018. So,
That's with my film.
yeah.
Really?
It's really funny.
Yeah,
My film.
Woo!
It's the same day as my film Ayari coming out in the theaters. So you can go buy the phone, go to the theater, book an online ticket there, go to the theaters, watch the phone, and then write things about it to your family.
Or is it a possibility that you go watch the film and we get free phones?
That could be. That's my friend right here is the man to get in touch with.
Okay, so I'm going to give you Jitin's number at the end of the show. Maybe not. But thank you, Jitin. That is a beautiful thing you've shared with us. We're really excited. Man of the moment. He's the man with all the answers, literally. Okay. So, 8th of Feb, 9th of Feb, beautiful Valentine's Day gift. It looks stunning. I can't wait to get my hands on it. But you know what? Before that, I'm sure a lot of people here now wanted to ask you a lot of questions. So should we do a little, like 4-5 questions?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so anybody who has a question, please raise your hand. A mic would be passed around to you. I would pick on somebody that I can spot in this light. Okay, let's start with the lady, one of the ladies with the black. Yes, the excited one. Yes, ma'am, right, you. Yes. We'll start with your name. I think somebody will pass on a mic to you. We'll start with your name, and then you can just shoot the question right here.
Hi Siddharth, I'm Shashi.
Hi. Hello.
Actually, I came here because I asked a question in the contest and I'm the winner.
Wow. What?
Let's
what
give
was-
a big round of applause to Shashi. Yeah?
Congratulations.
My question, actually, what I've put on Facebook, I'm putting the same question here.
Yeah.
That suppose we are going in a ship and you were drowning and I saved you. And later, like it came my turn and your girlfriend and me both were in the ship and we were drowning. Now you tell me, who will you save? Me or she?
नहीं, आप पहली वाली कहानी बताइए हम when were we sinking, which ship, कहाँ मिले, कहाँ पे, suddenly you saved me.
Yeah.
You're like the Oppo woman.
Yeah.
मैं Oppo man था, तो मैंने ऐसा फोन में सेल्फी खींचा, अब आ गया वहाँ से. So I would do the same thing to my girlfriend. I would give her my phone, Oppo phone. Oppo man will come and save her, and I would save you.
मतलब everybody gets
बराबर,
saved यार. ये
everybody
तो
gets
मतलब feature film बन जाएगी इसमें.
Yes,
Beautiful,
absolutely.
beautiful, lovely. Okay, come on, let's move on to the
you.
next question. Thank you, Shashi. Let's take somebody from right at the back. Okay, lots of hands right at the back. I can't see anybody. Can we take a question from a gentleman in check shirt, kind of tallish? Yes.
Hi Siddharth, how are
Hello,
you?
sir. How are you? Very good.
My question to you is,
We'll start with your
if
name,
you were
sir.
to describe yourself and Oppo in one word, what it would be?
Me and Oppo.
If you have to describe yourself and Oppo in one word, what it would be?
Stylish.
Yeah, there you go. One word answer to that. I mean, it wasn't even a question. Like, it's kind of like an understatement. Style always goes hand in hand with
I don't know
Siddharth
about
and
me,
Oppo.
but I'm betting on Oppo for sure. So
Thank you for that question. So we didn't catch your name. Sumit. Okay, let's have a round of applause for Sumit, please. Thank you. Moving on to our next question. Hands up. Okay, hands up in the air. The lady in the last row, I think she's wearing a blue jacket, is it? Yes.
she's wearing today's theme.
That is correct.
Hi Siddharth.
Hello.
Actually, this is your cap only.
Are
Yes.
the black one? So sweet.
Ma'am, can we start with your name, please?
My name is Runali.
Hi, Runali.
Hi. And I wanted to ask you that your film Ayyari is coming. So, what was your experience while shooting the film?
Oh, lovely. Yes, so my film is coming on the 9th, just with the phone, with the Oppo F5. So that's a big coincidence. And shooting the film was wonderful. First time playing an army officer in an army uniform, playing a military intelligence officer. We shot in Kashmir, we shot in London, we shot in Delhi, we shot in Mumbai, they shot in Cairo. So it's got a very wide landscape. And it's a spy thriller, which you haven't seen me do. So I'm hoping that you see it on the 9th and enjoy it.
Yes, I will see
Thank-
first day, first show.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Super.
yeah. Big round of applause for her.
Thank you, Siddharth.
Thank you.
Moving on, come on, let's go on to the next question. We have a gentleman right here who's been awaiting a mic to be passed around. Can we have a mic for him, please? Oh, sir, can we take a question right at the back and then we come to you? Is that okay? Do we have two mics or do we have one? Two? One? Okay, come. Let's start with you.
Yeah, hi, Siddharth. My name is Sohail.
Hi.
Congratulations for being an Oppo man. What are the features that normally you look into a phone and how often do you use it? And any inputs in Siddharth edition from your side?
Absolutely. Today, it's very difficult to roam around without your phone. It's something that we all have. And especially in our profession, a lot of our work happens on it. But then for the fun stuff, for social media, for selfies, for videos, whether it's at an event, whether it's training, whether it's sending messages to my fans. So for me, the camera is very important as to how it looks, how it captures, is easy to use. That was a feature we tried to incorporate in this. And just to make it look cool, I mean, I love the color. I think no other phone has really got this particular tinge of blue with that shine thing. So I wanted it to stand out. And it does exactly the same job. So I'm very happy with Oppo F5 for collaborating with my phone and my branding. And I think it looks really, really cool and funky.
Are you talking about Valentine Day also? How do you be celebrating or अगर आपको gift देना है Valentine beside your parents actually?
For this?
Your girlfriend or
Well, I'm celebrating by taking few of my friends for Ayyari. It's coming out on the 9th, so hopefully we'll be playing really well till then. And we're very excited for it. And who else would I gift it to? This phone? I don't know. I think I'm assuming it'll be somebody who I don't get to speak to. Maybe a friend of mine.
That's me. You don't get to speak to very
somebody
often.
who at least matches the tone. Well, I think that
There
should
you
be the
go.
competition. कि अगर इनका color match करता है, तो उनको एक free मिलना चाहिए. So I would like to gift it to all my friends and family if I can. But yeah, there's no one in specific I can think of. So maybe one of my friend who's in the US who I haven't met for a long, long time. And if you don't keep in touch, I think he doesn't have an excuse once I give him this phone.
Simply constant reminder right
Constant
there.
reminder.
Lovely. What a beautiful thought. A Valentine's Day gifting your best friend something special.
Absolutely.
Okay, we've got a lady in pink right there. She's been raising her hand for a while. Come, let's give her a mic. This one, the one who's standing right here. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, hi Siddhant.
Hello.
We'll start with
Yeah.
your name, ma'am.
I'm Bhavika Baldia. Yeah. So imagine we are dating from today. So
Lovely, Evangelist. Yeah, ugly
I
picture.
love
है?
this
you
show,
so
yeah. I
much.
totally love this show. This whole Valentine's Day fever is catching up quite quickly,
ये
no?
आप
Yeah.
ओप्पो ने बोला आपको ये कहानी बताने के लिए part 2.
yeah. So what would be the gift for coming Valentine Day for me?
Lovely, lovely. Can I have your name again?
Yeah, Bhavika Baldia.
Bhavika.
Yeah,
आप कहाँ की रहने वाली भाविका?
Mumbai.
Mumbai, आमची Mumbai. अरे बढ़िया. So the gift would be a lovely date, starting with me picking you up and taking you for a movie maybe right here in PVR. We won't see this film.
That's wonderful.
We won't see this film. You'll see my film.
Yeah, IRE.
Ayari.
So where's the tickets?
You don't have to worry about anything. He's picking you up. Yeah, that's more than enough.
Where is my relationship? कहाँ है? मेरी girlfriend.
Excuse me. Yeah.
All right, we've got a lady here in this
Yeah, I
row.
came.
Can we pass the mic on to her, please?
Hi Siddharth,
Hello.
I'm Fioni and I'm a big fan of yours.
Hi, Fioni.
And I'm very happy to be here. So I saw this song Koi Kahani To Shuru Kar and it is damn inspiring. So all I wanted to ask is something that would inspire me more. And in Gentleman, you've been fabulous. You look so damn hot. So I just wanted to tell
Please
me
give her
something
some
that-
water. I
So
don't want her
sweet.
to faint, yeah?
Thank you, Fioni. That's really sweet. I'm so happy you could make it here today.
Yeah, I'm damn happy.
And we could meet and see each other in person. And I'm again happy that you like Koi Kahani Shuru To Kar. It is a song meant for you and for all the other youngsters here, for all of us to really take the initiative and start something new, as the lyrics say. I mean, we all need to have fun, but there are certain things that we might not feel which are happening within the society or the city or the country which are correct. So if you find something like that, voice it. And we'll maybe make another song, maybe in your college, because we shot that in an actual college with the students were there, were live students who, luckily, all thanks to art, could bunk their classes and come and dance with us.
Yeah, lucky
So
them.
they were very excited. And I hope you guys see the film on the 9th.
Yeah,
Ayari.
definitely.
Definitely. Oh, my first day for
Waiting for that
sure.
long. Yeah, I love you too. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Can we have a big round of applause for all the people who've asked questions and everybody who's here? And now, Siddharth, since the Valentine's Day fever is on and Oppo's been really, really kind to gift you one, why don't we actually gift somebody really special also a phone?
Ooh,
What do you think?
somebody within the audience right there.
Yes. You know what is going to happen? That's right. So what is going to happen is all of you have been given cookies. Yes? Okay. So I hope you've not eaten your cookies already.
Don't swallow it down fully. It
No,
has
na?
a-
Okay. So what you got to do is, now one of these cookies that you have, when you break it open, has a heart inside.
Wow.
And the one who gets the heart, please make noise and show it to us, because you would be the one getting a beautiful Oppo F5 Siddharth limited edition phone. Come on, let's see you guys
All
open up
right,
the
so
cookies.
has somebody got a heart in their cookie? Mini sa koi dil. And if they swallowed it, we'll see you after 5 days.
Yeah, actually. No, I think tomorrow morning would be a good idea.
I hope people haven't.
Okay, the cookies are still being circulated. We were wondering,
Okay.
just to make sure they don't eat them the moment they get them.
It's the Oppo cookie, which will have a very special.
It is
heart in the
edible,
gift.
right? These cookies are edible, right? So the ones who don't get the phone can eat the cookies. That's your gift. Lovely cookies for the ones who don't win the phone. And of course, if you do win the phone, you can still eat the cookie.
Has everybody got a cookie? No. Can we have some
Yeah,
there,
I think
please?
we've got a lady at the back giving the cookies around. Cookie lady. Now, cookie man is of
He
the
doesn't
past.
need. He needs to diet. No more cookies for him.
Can I also get one? Like, hello? Why not? No? Damn.
Okay. Did anyone get?
Jitin, you're my best friend, yeah.
Can we please have some cookies at the back there?
We've got, oh wow, everybody's getting up to grab a cookie. Make sure you grab only one, okay? Be nice, come on, be nice. Only one cookie each person, otherwise you're going to deprive the others of a cookie at all, right?
Right.
So one person, one cookie. Let's stick to that. Everybody, be genuine, be
Hamara-
truthful.
Where is our mini heart? Dil.
देखो आराम से खाना, please watch your cookie while you eat it. बहुत छोटा सा दिल है, but be very careful while you're eating your cookie, huh? Very, very careful. If you swallow that hard, you will never find out what happened and why.
Okay, मेरा दिल खो गया है, छोटा वाला. It's lost. Somebody's
Has everybody got a cookie at the back?
digesting it.
Yes?
Let's.
Anybody who's not got a cookie?
Back seat number.
देखो दिल तो सबके पास है, लेकिन वो स्पेशल दिल किसी के पास आया नहीं
मैंने
आया.
अपने बड़े दिल को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में करके ऐसा किया है, तो है बहुत सारा है.
So now that I don't think anybody's got their heart yet.
Okay, so a better idea
Okay.
is especially the one sitting in the back.
Right.
What rows are you guys from what alphabet to the other?
Yeah, come on.
Is the F row there? It's from K to G?
Yeah, A is here. So A is the first
Okay.
row. So K to
K to G.
G.
K is the last. Okay, K, J, H, G. Okay, so if we pick a seat number instead of the heart.
What do you think? Come on, everybody, make some noise.
Okay, so especially the crowd at the back, could we please request seat number H7? H7 to come up.
Is there an 8-7?
Can you raise your hand?
खाली है क्या वो सीट?
खाली है?
बैठ जाओ फटाफट कोई भी जाके बैठ जाओ वहाँ पे.
Okay.
What?
Is somebody on H7? बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है. हमारी फिल्म फाइनली रिलीज़ हो रही है 9 फेब को. अय्यारी आई थिंक मेरी सबसे रेलेवेंट और रियल पिक्चर है. स्पाई थ्रिलर है, मिलिट्री इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर है. सो हम पूरी टीम बहुत एक्साइटेड है 9 फेब के लिए. हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स इसको कर रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली प्रोसेस में है. और आई हैव फुल फेथ कि प्रोड्यूसर्स ये जो भी इशू है उसको संभाल रहे हैं. और 9 फेब को पिक्चर रिलीज़ हो रही है तो हमारी लाइफ में कोई बदलाव नहीं है.
बातें चल रही तो आप लोगों ने किसी से बात की है गाँव में?
अभी तक बिल्कुल नहीं. पता नहीं, अगर होगा तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. वो पिक्चर देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा जब ये लोग पिक्चर रिव्यूज़ करेंगे. मेरे हिसाब से पिक्चर बहुत ही रेलेवेंट है और बहुत ही अच्छी राइटिंग है. एक थ्रिलर के होने के साथ साथ ये जो मुद्दे उठाता है हमारे देश के बारे में, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मुद्दे हैं वो. बिल्कुल. मेरे प्लान्स हैं कि मैं जल्दी से अपने खास दोस्त और बाकी लोगों को अय्यारी पिक्चर देखने के जाऊँ.
अच्छा, एक और सवाल कि
हाँ जी.
पद्मावत जब आने वाली थी
हाँ जी.
तब बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पे भी प्रॉब्लम हुई.
हाँ जी.
अब अय्यारी में भी ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, अलग अलग लोगों को दिखानी है. आपको लगता है कि ये जो प्रोसेस है ये पहले इस तरीके से नहीं चला, कि काफ़ी चीज़ें बदल गई?
जैसा कि मैंने आई थिंक ये हमारा हर पिक्चर के अलग अलग रीजंस होते हैं. जिस पिक्चर की आप बात कर रहे हो उनका हम सब देख चुके हैं क्या हुआ है. हमारी पिक्चर में इतना सीवियर नहीं है जितना मेरे हिसाब से, जितने मैंने बात करी अपने प्रोड्यूसर से. हमारी पिक्चर अभी भी 9 फेब को आ रही है. सो वी आर होपिंग थिंग्स गो स्मूथली. थैंक यू गाइस.